All right, strictly algebra here, Mr. Smith. Solving two-step equations. We're going to start with one, and then we're going to move to what we need to get to. Two-step equations, most important part of it, all right? We will solve linear equations in one variable, just one variable today, okay? Just one variable. All right, let's get started. You don't have a lot of time. I don't have a lot of time. Let's get started. Solving one-step equations. 3x. 3 plus x equals 5. 3 plus x, 8. We teachers, we make mistakes also. 3 plus x equals 5. All right. 3 plus x equals 5. Let's clear it. All right, let's show you. Let's show you what's going on. We got 3 plus x equals 5. All right. We started on white. Gonna change it here. Now, the key important part of this is just to get what? X by itself. We're trying to get this guy by itself, right? So in order to get X by itself, we're going to what? Get rid of this 3. Or, in other words, get this 3 to this other side. How do we get this 3 to this other side? We use the inverse. What's plus 3? What's the opposite of plus 3? Let's keep it simple. Up all the terms. What's the opposite of plus 3? Minus 3. So once you do minus 3, let's move this bar out the way. That's minus 3. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other side. Now it's on the other side. Because this cancels. My inverse is going to cancel. Which is going to leave me with x is equal to 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Are we good? Let's try another one here. We got 6 is equal to x minus 2. It's on the other side. Doesn't matter. Your equal sign is your barrier. Something that makes you move it to the other side. Okay, so we have x is all, we need to get x by itself, right? Yes. Minus 2. The opposite of that is plus 2. So what we do on that side, we got to do on the other side. Boom. Cancel. X is equal to what? 8. 6 plus 2, 8. You're going to get it. Your turn is coming up next. Now, let's try another scenario that we haven't did yet. 5x is equal to 15. Now, we got to get x by itself. What is 5x? What is 5x actually doing? It's saying 5 times x equals 15. Now, mind you, I'm just breaking it down, okay? 5 times x. That's exactly what it's saying. So how am I going to get rid of this multiply? I'm going to what? Divide. So if I divide on that side, I have to divide on the other side. In dividing, 5 and 5 will cancel, give me 1. Remember, 1 what? 1x, right? 1x. 5 into 15, it give me what? 3. And I didn't change the colors this time. And there's your answer. 5 times x, that's what it says. 5x is 5 times x. To get rid of times, you're going to what? Divide. If I'm adding, I'm going to subtract. If I'm subtracting, I'm going to add. If I'm multiplying, I'm going to divide. If I'm dividing, I'm going to multiply. We'll get to the fractions later. Don't scare them yet. All right. So, give the video a pause. Try these out. I'm going to come back. It's the same scenario we just did on the examples. Pause the video. Come right back. I'm going to give you the answers. And then we're going to go right into two-step. All right. We are back. Your turn answers. Check your answers and see what you did there. I hope you did good. I know you did good. Now, two-step equations. Look. It's just only 2 steps. We did 1 step last time. We're going to do 2 steps this time. So 2x minus 4 equals 12. So we have 2x minus 4 equals 12. Now watch. All we're going to do is put two of those problems we did earlier into one big problem. Don't confuse yourself. All we're doing is still getting what? X by itself. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of what? This negative 4. Remember, negative, positive. Boom. So on the side, positive 4. Boom. Cancels. I don't like that bar right there, but it's too late. 16. Boom. Bring down my 2x. This looks familiar? Yes. 2 times x, right? Remember, 2 times x is equal to 16. Divide by what? 2. My x is going to be equal to 8. Circle it. Two-step equations. Told you it wasn't hard. I told you it wasn't hard. We got it? Maybe. Okay. Let's try another one. So we have, let me get my notes here. We got 8 plus m over 2 equals 10. Now, change colors here. What are we going to get rid of first? We get rid of this long term out here. It's by itself. Bye-bye. Okay? So it's plus 8. It's plus 8. So minus 8 gets rid of it. Exactly. M over 2. This is 10 minus 8 will give me what? 2. What are we doing here? We are dividing this 2, right? We are dividing the 2. So we need to what? Multiply the 2. So on this side, we're going to multiply the 2. Remember, divide, multiply to get rid of it. Boom. Don't get scared because it's a fraction. 2 times 2, 4. We are dividing here. It's dividing. This one is dividing. We multiply to get rid of it. Multiply by whatever is at the bottom. Then 2, right? So multiply times 2 it gives you 4. Right? All right. Do we have? All right, we are back. It's your turn. Do what we always do. Pause the video, try it out on your own, come back, and I'm gonna show you one of them, and then we'll be out of here. All right? So pause the video. We are back. So we have z over 2 minus 12 equals 36. And I'll show you the answers in a minute. So what's by itself? What's all along? This 12 here. Let's put some stars around it. That's 12. So plus 12, we have to do what? We have to plus 12. It's minus 12, so we have to plus 12, right? This is going to cancel. This is going to give me, let's change this thing, z over 2, which is equal to what? 4, 8. Yes? We are dividing again. The reason why I wanted to come back to this, because this is the one that gets people messed up. We are dividing again. So again, we need to do what? Multiply. Multiply. Z is equal to what's 2 times 48? We have a 6. And we have 2 times 8 is 96. There you go. All right. There's your answer. If you have any questions on whatsoever, drop down a comment down below. This is Strictly Algebra. Mr. Smith, outie.